Hello, welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to delete message requests on X. So open X application on your phone and tap this letter icon in the bottom right corner of your screen. That's your messages section, and if you have some kind of message requests, you will see this tab at the top of the screen. So regular messages will be displayed right here and message requests will be here. So open it and find specific message request that you want to delete and tap three-dot button next to it. And you want to select delete conversation and confirm that you really want to delete it by tapping delete button. So that's how we can delete message requests on X. I really hope that you find this video helpful, and if so, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.